how to fix login error on SIB application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data to connect to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. After that, if you're still facing any problems, you can go to your settings, tap on general and tap on iPhone storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the SIB digital application. If the app we're looking for, simply tap on it and tap on offload app. Tap on offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any login. If you do face any kinds of problems after this, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.